Every year, billions of hot dogs are eaten around the world, but very few people know how they're really made.
The process begins with beef, pork, and other meat trimmings collected from larger cuts prepared for supermarkets.
The meat is ground into smaller pieces while ice is added to keep everything cold and stable.
This step creates the famous hot dog texture, turning meat, fat, spices, and water into a smooth emulsion. This step creates the famous hot dog texture, turning meat, fat, spices, and water into a smooth emulsion.
The mixture is pumped into casings, forming long chains of connected hot dogs in seconds.
Inside massive smokehouses, the hot dogs are cooked, smoked, and fully heated for safety.
As the proteins cook, the texture firms up and the famous hot dog color begins to appear.
Most supermarket hot dogs are made in temporary casings that are removed immediately after cooking. The hot dogs are rapidly cooled to stop bacteria growth and preserve their texture. Automated systems package and seal thousands of hot dogs every hour.
Every batch is tested for safety, consistency, and quality before leaving the factory. From here, the hot dogs are shipped across the country to stores, restaurants, and stadiums.
A simple snack on the outside, powered by one of the most industrialized food systems in the world.